The first mission to the Trojan Asteroids, a pre-launch milestone for our Artemis 1 mission, and highlighting a few of our NASA centers. A few of the stories to tell you about this week at NASA.
We have engine ignition. Release. Engine at full thrust.
On October 16th, we launched our Lucy spacecraft from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station in Florida. Lucy is the first space mission to the Trojan Asteroids, a diverse population of small bodies believed to be remnants of our early solar system that are trapped in a stable orbit with Jupiter. The mission could help revolutionize what we know about the origins and formation of our solar system and its planets. Learn more about the mission at nasa.gov/Lucy. Teams working inside the Vehicle Assembly Building at our Kennedy Space Center added the Orion spacecraft's stage adapter to the top of the Space Launch System, or SLS, rocket for our upcoming Artemis 1 mission. They will add Orion and its launch abort system on top of the stage adapter to complete the Artemis 1 stack. Artemis 1 will be the first flight test around the moon of the SLS rocket and Orion spacecraft as an integrated system. Our Administrator Bill Nelson and Deputy Administrator Pam Melroy recently visited NASA centers in California. They toured our Ames Research Center on October 12th to hear about climate-related research, including wildfire prevention and reduction of emissions with the use of air traffic management tools. The next day at our Armstrong Flight Research Center, they participated in activities to celebrate the center's 75th anniversary, including the opening of a 25-year-old time capsule. Finally, on October 14th, they stopped by our Jet Propulsion Laboratory for a climate summit with elected officials. While there, they also were updated on plans for our Perseverance rover and Ingenuity helicopter on Mars. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope successfully arrived in French Guiana on October 12th after a 16-day journey at sea. After Webb is driven to its launch site in Kourou, it will be prepped for its targeted December 18th launch. From its vantage point in space about 1 million miles from Earth, the world's largest and most complex space science observatory is expected to capture images of the early universe that will transform our understanding of our place in the cosmos. Learn more about the mission at nasa.gov/Webb. Officials from NASA and other industry leaders gathered in Huntsville, Alabama, October 12th through the 14th for the 14th annual Wernher von Braun Memorial Symposium. This year's theme was United, a Foundation Delivered, the Future Enabled. The event featured discussion about the space science and exploration progress made to date, as well as the plans and goals for future space endeavors. That's what's up this week at NASA. For more on these and other stories, follow us on the web at nasa.gov/Twan.